Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply an inner line permit to travel to Manipur. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, within India, there are certain areas where you do need permit if you want to travel. Okay, even as an Indian. So one of that is Manipur. Okay. Now I won't go into the political and other reasons, but how to go through the process. So let's go through the about, I'll say. And this is for Indian citizen. Okay. This is for Indian citizen. All right. Now permit types. Type A, people like government, contractor, investor, traders. Okay. Business establishment. B, the who visit the state frequently subject to sponsored by any permanent resident of the state. But we will go for C. There D also labor permit like those who want to work there, contractor or firm company individual. But we'll go for C tourism. Okay, a very common thing and issued for 30 days. So what you do first, you need to enter your name. Okay, you need to do as per your case. I'm just going to sample how you're going to enter. What's your parent guardian name? And this is for Indians only. Okay, date of birth, whatever is applicable in your case. I'm just putting sample. State from where you are coming to, just sample. Passport, district, okay. Sample guys on email, police station, village street, all these details, purpose of visit. Then you agree. Okay. Then in next page, it's gonna ask you some documents that you are gonna approve, put over here, and then it will ask you to pay. So now fee is for type C, it's 100 for the permit. Okay. And then they're going to process, and if approved you can go, and most of the cases it is. And you can also check the status online here. Application date of birth, you can check the status, and you can download also. Okay, that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.